Let's talk about whole life insurance. Now, this isn't your typical term life insurance that just covers you for a specific period. Whole life insurance is different. It's a permanent policy designed to last your entire life. But here's the kicker. It also has a cash value component that grows over time. Think of it like a savings account built right into your insurance policy. This cash value grows tax-deferred, which means you don't pay taxes on the earnings until you withdraw them. And here's the best part. You can borrow against this cash value if you need money. It's like having a personal line of credit at your disposal. This is where the idea of being your own bank comes in. You're essentially lending money to yourself with interest. So, how does this whole being your own bank thing work? Well, a portion of your premium payments goes towards the death benefit, which is the payout your beneficiaries receive when you pass away. The rest of your premium goes towards building up that cash value. This cash value earns interest at a guaranteed rate, so you know your money is growing steadily. Now, when you need a loan, you can borrow against this cash value. You don't have to jump through hoops or deal with a bank's approval process. You're borrowing from yourself. And the best part? You get to decide how much to repay and when. This flexibility is a huge advantage, especially for entrepreneurs and small business owners who might need quick access to capital. Let's talk about the good stuff. The advantages of using whole life insurance as your bank. First off, the cash value grows tax-deferred. That means you keep more of your money, which is always a good thing. Secondly, you have control and flexibility. You decide how much to borrow and when to repay. No more dealing with loan officers and their endless paperwork. Thirdly, the death benefit provides financial security for your loved ones. In the unfortunate event of your passing, your beneficiaries will receive a tax-free payout. This can be a huge relief, especially if you're the primary breadwinner. Lastly, whole life insurance offers stability. Unlike the stock market, the cash value in your policy isn't subject to market fluctuations. It's a safe and predictable way to grow your wealth. Section 4, the downsides, considering the drawbacks. Now, let's be real. Not everything about whole life insurance is sunshine and rainbows. There are some drawbacks to consider. First, the premiums can be higher compared to term life insurance. This is because you're paying for both the death benefit and the cash value component. Second, the returns on your cash value might be lower compared to other investment options. Thirdly, if you don't keep up with your premium payments, you risk having your policy lapse, which means you could lose your coverage and the cash value you've accumulated. Finally, there can be fees and charges associated with borrowing against your cash value. It's crucial to read the fine print and understand all the costs involved before you jump in. Section 5, riches and returns, real-world examples of whole life insurance success. Despite the drawbacks, many folks have used whole life insurance to build wealth. Take, for example, successful business owners who use their policy's cash value to fund new ventures or cover operating expenses. They avoid high-interest loans and keep their businesses booming. Then there are families who use whole life insurance as a college savings plan for their children. The cash value grows tax-deferred, providing a nice nest egg for those future tuition bills. And let's not forget about retirees who use their policies to supplement their income. They can withdraw or borrow against their cash value, enjoying a comfortable retirement. Whole life insurance can be a powerful tool for financial success, offering flexibility and security for various life stages. Section 6, final thoughts, weighing the potential of whole life insurance. So, can whole life insurance make you rich? Well, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that requires discipline and a bit of financial savvy. It's like that classic Volkswagen Beetle. It might not be the flashiest car on the road, but it's reliable, gets you where you need to go, and can even be passed down through generations. Ultimately, whether or not whole life insurance is right for you depends on your individual circumstances, financial goals, and risk tolerance. It's always a good idea to talk to a financial advisor to see if it fits your overall financial plan. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your money, it's always better to be safe than sorry.